If you ask me if Jakarta is worth visiting, I would say no.
I just hear that, right? Don't suggest going to Jakarta. The only reason you shouldn't go to Jakarta is if you're on a diet, because, you know, food there is incredible. It's an amazing city. I don't know why else you wouldn't go to Jakarta. But seriously, don't go to Jakarta if you're on a diet. But otherwise, definitely go.
Siapa sangka, hanya karena melihat berita di internet dan media sosial, banyak orang asing justru berpikir dua kali untuk datang ke Indonesia. Mereka membayangkan negara ini sebagai tempat yang kacau, tidak aman, dan kotor. Terutama Jakarta, ibu kota negara yang seringkali mendapat cap negatif di luar negeri. Namun, semua anggapan itu runtuh saat sepasang traveler dari Inggris dan Italia memutuskan untuk membuktikannya sendiri. Bukan hanya ke Bali, mereka menjelajahi kota demi kota, Surabaya, Solo, Yogyakarta, Jakarta, Belitung, dan masih banyak tempat lainnya. Mereka ingin mengenal Indonesia lebih dalam, bukan hanya dari sisi pariwisata, tapi dari kehidupan nyata masyarakatnya.
We are back in Jakarta. Kami kembali ke Jakarta. We're so glad to be back in Indonesia. Let me tell you, when you land, you just instantly, we've just come from Vietnam where people were a little bit not so smiley. When you arrive back in Indonesia, let me tell you, everyone is so smiley again. Even the immigration staff, so smiley. We were having a chat. As soon as he understood he could speak a little bit of Indonesian, we were chatting about Jakarta, Belitung, and all sorts of different things. Really, really, really happy to be back. It's great.
Yang mereka temukan benar-benar di luar dugaan. Indonesia ternyata begitu indah. Negara ini bukan hanya memiliki lebih dari 17.000 pulau, tapi juga kekayaan budaya, senyum ramah penduduknya, dan kehangatan yang sulit ditemukan di negara lain. Mari simak kebahagiaan pasangan ini bersama warga lokal.
Indonesia is very, very special. The people are so friendly and so lovely. You will be walking in the streets and people will stop you and invite you into their homes. They'll share food with you, sit down with you, chat with you. They'll bring you crisps, they'll bring you drinks. Heck, they'll even share their produce with you, their eggs.
Sudah masak?
Ya.
Oh, bagus. Enak. Enak.
They'll also open up their fridge and try and give you their fruit. They will share everything with you as a total stranger.
Semua baik. Semua baik. Ya, so good. No. Tidak. No, tidak. Kami punya, sudah punya di rumah.
It is an incredibly friendly society and people could really learn from the Indonesians just how lovely and how open they are and how friendly they are. What a lovely bunch of people. This was in a kampung in Belitung, but so lovely.
They're selling gandos. Gandos. Yes. Apa ini? Manis?
Asin gurih.
Asin gurih.
Iya.
Dengan
Berhaji.
ini sayuran. Sayuran.
Wah, ya.
It's quite nice. Good try it. Enak, huh? 5,000.
Siap.
Why is it rice?
Apa ini?
Kambil sama tepung beras.
Coconut. It's coconut. Ya. Saja 5,000. Ini banyak. Ini banyak. Lebih kecil.
Dapat 11.
10.
Masak lebih. Dapur di sini.
Iya, dapur untuk memasak.
Okay, terima kasih Pak. Thank you. Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih ya. Jumpa lagi ya. Mata suwun.
Iya,
Jumpa lagi ya. Good.
Nice. I like this sweet and salty thing.
Di Indonesia, mereka merasa seperti di rumah. Masyarakatnya ramah, ringan senyum, dan tidak pernah memandang mereka berbeda. Salah satu momen paling mengesankan bagi mereka adalah saat merayakan hari raya bersama warga lokal. Mereka disambut hangat, diberi hidangan khas, bahkan menerima amplop berisi uang sebagai bentuk rasa syukur dan kebersamaan. Saking terkesannya, saat Natal tiba, mereka memutuskan untuk meniru budaya itu, membagikan sedikit rezeki kepada warga lokal yang mereka temui. Bagi mereka, ini bukan sekadar liburan, tapi perjalanan yang mengubah cara pandang mereka tentang dunia.
Celebrating festivities such as Hari Raya and Chinese New Year taught us the invaluable lesson of giving and sharing here in Asia. It just shows how welcoming and giving people are here in Asia, especially around Hari Raya. We were welcomed in and we ate with the family, celebrated the tradition that's not even traditionally ours, and they even gave us Duit Raya as well, which was incredible to end the day. And we'd never experienced anything like this. So now, Christmas time, we wanted to kind of do something a little different and give back.
A bit of what we normally experience during Christmas.
Gift giving. We wanted to share our festivities with others. So here in Indonesia, we gave out Christmas Duit. We had some amazing reactions. We shared it from Solo to Jogja, Bandung, all sorts of different places, and some of the smiles, some of the reactions, and it's just giving a little bit back, and something we learned from the likes of Hari Raya, the likes of Chinese New Year, and Asia. You are an incredible continent with some incredible people. I'm just honestly blown away by it, and we wanted to share that little experience with others.
Yang membuat mereka semakin takjub adalah saat berkunjung ke pusat perbelanjaan di kota-kota besar Indonesia. Mereka tak menyangka, mal-mal di Indonesia ternyata jauh lebih besar, lebih megah, bahkan lebih modern dibandingkan dengan yang ada di negara mereka sendiri yang katanya lebih maju. Mari simak wajah kekaguman mereka di video ini.
Wow. Guys, these malls in Indonesia are like mini cities, I swear. They are honestly massive, and there is so much that you just spend all day walking around them, I think. Super comfortable, don't feel claustrophobic at all. In Europe, our malls are super small, claustrophobic, a little bit run down. Here, the malls, so modern and just absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful mall. It's huge as well. I mean, Indonesia, they don't do small malls. I've been to other countries and I thought that, you know, malls were big, but Indonesia takes malls to the next level. Oh my gosh, guys, check out this section. This is beautiful. Look at this. Actually stunning, isn't it? Guys, this has got to be probably the most beautiful mall I've ever seen. Wow. Yogyakarta, you absolutely smashed it with this place. I had no idea. We walked into this area and we were like, whoa. Honestly, where I'm from in England, malls aren't that pretty, and in Europe they're not that good looking.
Inilah Indonesia yang sebenarnya. Bukan hanya Bali, bukan hanya pantai dan wisata alamnya, tapi juga masyarakatnya yang hangat, arsitektur modernnya, dan kehidupan kotanya yang dinamis. Melalui video mereka, pasangan ini ingin menyampaikan pesan penting. Jangan percaya begitu saja dengan berita buruk tentang Indonesia. Datang dan lihat sendiri betapa menakjubkannya negeri ini. Karena Indonesia bukan hanya indah, tapi juga penuh kejutan menyenangkan yang mungkin tak akan kamu temukan di tempat lain. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Jika kamu suka dengan ceritanya, jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan subscribe. Dukungan kalian sangat berarti agar kami terus semangat berbagi kisah inspiratif lainnya dari seluruh penjuru dunia.